This background isn't real. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your video background in Canva with just a click. Come over to Canva, whether your mobile or web application. Click on video. You will arrive at this timeline. Locate the upload section on the menu panel and click on it. We are going to upload our video which we intend changing its background. I'll select this and click on done. This brings this video into our uploaded files. I'll click on it to bring it into the timeline and drag to fit the entire canvas. Click on edit video and select background remover. This automatically removes the original background of the video. Once you've successfully done this, remove the original background, next is to get our new background for the video. To do that, we'll head straight to the element section and search for bedroom background. Having gone through, I will select this. Drag to fit the entire canvas. Then on the three dots, click on the three dots and select layer and then send to back. What this does is sends the background backwards and then brings the video forward. Position your video to look real. Please note, backgrounds you can search for in the elements section is not limited to bedroom backgrounds. You can search for living room backgrounds, library, supermarket, any sort of background you need. You can search for it in the elements section. So you see how easy and quick this is to achieve realistic background for your video. Another way to get your realistic background for your video, if you do not want to select from the elements section, is to use the AI image generator. You can locate this from the elements section, scroll down and locate the AI image generator. Paste your test prompt. Here in my test prompt, I need a luxurious bedroom with creamy walls, dark hardwood floors, velvet furniture, elegant curtains, refined lighting, and the rest of it. So you need to be more specific and descriptive in your description. That determines the result you will get. So now I will switch to portrait mode for a more clearer view. So I select this, drag to fit the entire canvas. And honestly, I don't like this, so I have to add more specificity to my prompt. I'll add more like televisions, bookshelves, closet. I need those to appear in the image generated. This looks preferable, so I'll select this. Once I click on it, automatically it will appear in my canvas. So I will drag to fit the entire canvas. I'll scroll up to page 1. Where I have my initial video with the background removed. I will click on the three dots and copy it. Come over to the page 2, the AI generated image. Click on the three dots and paste it. Okay, I did this because I already have my video background removed. If you're actually using the second method, so you have to go through the first step of removing your video background. So I will adjust so as to look real. You can give your realistic video background a blur effect. To do that, click on the edit image. Under effect panel, scroll down and locate blur option. Okay, once on the blur option, reduce or increase the intensity based on your preference. It is a matter of choice. We can do the same for page 1. Go to the edit image option and then under the effect panel, scroll down to the blur effect option and then increase the blur intensity or reduce the blur intensity according to your preference. For me, I prefer my video background having no blur effect. So this is the 2 photorealistic video background we created in Canva in just 2 minutes. This with blur effect and this without blur effect. This is how easy it is to create realistic video backgrounds in Canva. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do where to subscribe. Thank you in advance. If you have watched to this point, I'll be glad to show you how to use Capcut to create realistic background for your video. Before we head straight to Capcut, ensure to have your video background saved in your device. The number 1 place to get free licensed video background of any category is Pixel. I will leave the app's name in the description below. Now we'll head over to Capcut. Once on Capcut, select the background and click on Add. This brings it into the timeline. Drag the background so as to accommodate the video we will bring in. Now click on Overlay, Add Overlay, and bring in the video which you want to change the background. Okay, Now drag the video so as to be on the same timeline with the background. Select the video and scroll through to locate Remove BG. Click on it. Click Auto Removal, and this removes your background. Okay, while it processes, I'll adjust my video, resize according to my choice, resize it to be bigger or smaller till I am satisfied with the way it is. You can apply blur effect if you so desire to do that. Click on the effect option and select video effect. Scroll through and select lens and then click on blur. Okay, reduce the intensity of the blur effect or increase the intensity based on your preference. And this is the blur effect on a background.